Hey guys, today show you Minnie Mouse.
Yay! So you have this kitchen set.
Yeah.
Wow!
For you, mommy.
I will open it for you.
Yes.
Look what I have here for you. Hello, Julia.
Hi, mommy.
I'm Minnie Mouse. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm donut.
Can I have a donut?
Yes.
That's the most delicious donut I had.
Donuts.
Can I have some French fries, please? They are so good.
Are you happy?
Oh, yes. Are you happy too?
Do you like salad?
Oh, yes. Salad is very healthy. I love salad. Do you like salad?
Salads.
Wow.
Cook
Can I have an egg, please?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Egg for you. Egg for you.
It sounds very good. This orange juice is very good.
Oranges. Oranges.
Can I have some tomato, please?
No.
Please.
Some egg.
Yes, I want some egg with tomato.
Yeah.
Thank you. Was very good. Could you please give me some tomato, please?
Cook.
So delicious. And Julia, do you have some cheese, please? I want some cheese with bread. Can I have some, please?
Yeah.
So good. Thank you so much.
Burger. Ketchups. I like ketchups.
Do you like ketchup? It's good. So
I'm happy.
sweet.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy. Are you happy too?
Are you hair? Hair.
Yes, I have beautiful hair. Like yours. You have beautiful hair.
Clouds.
Yes, and you have beautiful clothes. You have clothes with me. With Minnie Mouse. Wow.
Yeah.
So, Julia,
Yes.
do you love me?
Yes.
I love you too.
Repeat.
Yes.
Bye bye, guys. Thumbs up.